Alright, so this is going to be my third video walkthrough of Baseball Genius, and I'll be showing the updates that I've made in the month of November and a little bit in the beginning of the month of December. Basically, in the month of December, in November, we restructured the database and removed like duplicating data by using unique IDs for most of everything and making the database relational, which is going to end up saving storage and space, which will save money. And another thing that we did is we removed the scorekeeper users. So on the register form, there's no more scorekeeper. And then coaches can now add multiple teams. So previously, coaches could only have one team when they sign up, but now they have the option to add more. But the tournament, for the tournament director, basically their sign up form didn't change at all. So I already have a tournament director signed up. So we'll go ahead and create our first coach. So we'll just fill out some fake information. Select our profile photo. Orlando, Florida. Go ahead and fill out the zip code. And then now each team will have their own age group. So for our first team, we'll click 12U, and then each team will have a profile photo or team photo. And each team will have a team name, obviously. And then now we want to add our second team, so we'll click Add Team. Select its age group. Select its team photo. Give it a team name, and then now we'll go ahead and submit that. And then now we can go ahead and log in as our coach. And then from here we can click Find Tournaments, and basically right here it'll be a list of all the different tournaments that are going on right now. Right now we actually have the one tournament, but basically any of the tournaments that are past this sign-up deadline won't show. But you can see here, this is the start date and the end date, different age groups, and stuff like that. You can click read more or click register as the coach. So previously when you click register as the coach, since you only have the one team, it'll automatically register it. But now since you have multiple teams, you're going to have to select which team you want to register. So let's say for this coach, we only want to register our 16U team. So we'll just select that button and then click confirm teams. And then from there, it'll basically register that team. So if we click read more and like read about the tournament, you can see the tournament name. But as the coach, we can't see the registered teams. We can only register for the tournament. But if we log in as the director and then go to that tournament and click read more, we can actually see the registered teams, a list of all of them. And right now there's only one. So now that we can actually register these teams again, the tournament directors are going to want to schedule the games for each tournament. So basically what they'll do is they'll have a list of all their tournaments, and then for each one they can schedule the games. And then from here they can like fill out a form or select, the teams and like create a matchup and stuff like that. And then once they have all those games created, at the end of the form, it'll ask like a question: do you want to schedule the bracket? Would you like to schedule brackets for this tournament? And if they click yes, it'll create a bracket based on the tournament type, like if it's single elimination or double elimination or something like that. Or if they click no, it won't create the brackets. So that's what I need to work on in December. So now that's pretty much that part with the tournaments and registering and the scheduling. Again, I guess for Scotty and Pablo, for the social media side, like the following and stuff like that, it's all by unique IDs. So for instance, if we go to this profile and we click follow, the followers increase, and like you can make posts. And now since we follow him, anything that this user posts, it'll go to our newsfeed. So we'll log in as the director. Wrong password, but basically if we make a post like tournament is canceled this week, and we'll click post. And then now that we made that post. If we log in with that coach and go to our news feed, we can see there it is right there. And basically this will be a list of all of our following posts right there. We can click like and it'll increase the like count. We can leave a comment like disappointed or something like that. And you might leave a comment. But basically there's that. And then now we'll go ahead and create our player. And then now on the sign up form here, they don't fill out any team information because once they log in, they'll be able to search for their team by like their team name, and then they'll be able to like actually select the team they want to join, click like join team and stuff like that, and it'll update the roster, and they'll get their team information from there. But go ahead and finish this up right here, and then give them our positions. Click submit. Go ahead and log in. And then we'll click join team, and then now from here we can actually search by team name. So like we'll search all stars, click search, and then this will be like a list of all the different team names with all stars. Maybe that doesn't, not the team we want to join, maybe it's the Tigers or something. We'll click there, and then as you can see the list will update. And then you can click join team, and then it'll update like the team roster, and then that player will get that team's information and stuff like that. So that's pretty much it. I showed you the registering teams, being able to select which team you want to register for the tournaments. I restructured the database, and that's pretty much it. So I'll be working on the scheduling again and then the brackets for this month. So thanks for watching.